Hello, hello, hello. How you guys doing? Good afternoon, good morning, rather traders. Um, Gonna do a quick weekly recap of all the trades that I've made since I've been back. Um, the date I started is on the 18th because that's when I officially came back from my 2 week hiatus. So I started on that Friday, and then obviously Monday was MLK Day, so that there was no trades, and then the other 4 days here. So total of 5 days of trading. So it's a weekly recap. I mean, it's good for you guys to do this. It's good to do this, to keep a log, or either you can use Tradervue, or if you want, just keep your own log. Something to be able to look back on and kind of see what you've been doing and your performance, and see what areas you can tweak or you might can work on. But anyway, it's good to log and not just to be in the moment trading every day and not log in what you're doing. Um, this P&L is, as you can see, it's the gross P&L. So this is not including commissions and fees. I keep it this way because I really just want to pay attention to my performance, my personal performance, not counting all of the fees. So, if my personal performance is doing good as far as, I am profitable without commission, that's a good sign because that means, when I do have a higher count size, that commission structure won't matter as much. So you really want to focus on what you're doing. So anyway, this is just a quick overview, guys. Had 5 days, 4 winning days, as you can see here. The green is for the winning days. But again, this is gross, not net. After net, some of those days were red, like two of the days were red. But gross, meaning before commissions, actually just one red day in this last week. Alright, and as you can see, I'm trying to keep this trending upward. It took a little dip here, but recovered on Friday. You guys can look back at the videos and see what happened and all the good stuff. That's the good thing here. The win percentage was 100% on well, I only took one trade that last Friday. 33% on the what was that? On Tuesday when we first came back to 100. So 50 and 50. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right. So out of a total of, I took a total of 12 trades. 12 trades I took total, and the percentage was 58% accurate. All right. So I'm gonna definitely be working on that. As if you listen to some of the videos, a couple of those trades I had no business making. I was a little rusty. Um, So a couple of those trades could definitely have been corrected, and that would help this percentage wise. And I'm actually going to be working on that for next week. So a couple of the trades that I made last week, one was a trade right at the 200-day moving average, daily moving average, going long. I mean, that's just something you don't do. So little things like that, I just tweak it up, and I'm gonna work on getting the winning percentage a little higher. So out of 12 trades, seven were winners. So it's not bad. All right. The total gain and loss. The total gain for the last 5 days was $123. That's before commissions, but I mean that's something to build on right here. It was a plus. It wasn't a minus. So that's what you really want to work on. And this is after 12 trades. This is after 12 trades. Um, so that's a good thing for me. The largest gain was yesterday, the one for $102, and then also the largest loss of the last 5 days was yesterday, the one that I lost seven. Because the reason why is I upped my share size. So when you up the share size, this area here is going to be a lot larger, both sides, the gain side and the loss side. We're going to hopefully keep the losses low, but the gain is going to be a lot more. So profit factor. You always want to keep a profit factor over one. If you have a profit factor under one, it's something wrong there. You're definitely something wrong. Um, you really want it over a two. It's basically saying like the profit factor is basically like your ratio of winning. 2 to 1. Is it 2 to 1 or whatever the case may be? So see if this was 5 and 5, 5 wins, 5 losses, then the profit factor will be just one. Now if this was 10 wins and 5 losses, then the profit factor will be two. Um, and also anyway, three consecutive winners at some point during last week. I don't remember the trades. You could see it here, and then two consecutive losers. So you wanna. So I did have three consecutive winners. That was the 23rd, two on the 23rd, and the first one on the 24th. Um, Average hold time. As I said, I want to be more efficient and hold stocks to 5 minutes maximum, maybe 10 minutes at very max. But 5 minutes is ideal. But average hold time for losing trades 25 minutes. So at least one or two of my trades I must have held for like an hour or something, and that must have really thrown this average off. But it's not good holding a trade that long. So I got to work on this area here, and I'm gonna work on over here. So these are the two things that I really want to focus on for next week. Is getting the win percentage higher, a little higher. If I can get it up to 70%, that'll be perfect. And then get these hold times down. That's why I say it's a good thing to look at, log everything that you're doing. That way you have something to look back on. Also, if you can, record your trades. Record your actual trades so you can see what was going on in the moment. It's kind of it's okay to look back and just look at the symbol and pull up the chart at that. Pull up the chart, but it's even better if you can have like a live video of the trades that you took. I haven't done that this week. I did. I used to do it, but I'm gonna start back. Only reason I didn't is because it takes up a lot of space on your computer. Saving those big video files. But that's not a big problem. All right, guys. Just want to do a quick overview. Again, it was again it was it was yeah. So anyway, it's $123 gain on the week. That's before commissions, but obviously after commissions, I'm actually down about. I started the account at 560 that last Friday on the 18th, and now it's down to like 501. So really, I'm down $59 after commissions. So that goes to show you commissions. If I really had a gain of $123.36, the commissions were actually like, let me do the math here. So let's see, 560 plus. This is what I should have had in the account. 683. Should have been up to 683. But, however, I'm at 501. So that means commissions was $182. Almost $183 on 12 trades. So, you gotta be careful when you're trading a low account. You have to factor in these commissions because they could be a killer. The commissions were way more than the gains. You know, my gain for that week was $123. Commissions was more than my gains. So you got to keep that in mind, guys. Just want to do a quick weekly recap. I will be back Monday. All right, guys. Then I wanted to give you this recap to also let you guys know that it's good to log your trades. Tradervue is a good site to do that. Tradervue.com. You can see it here. You can log your trades, and if you get the paid subscription, you have a limited amount of trades you can upload for free. But then if you want to upload all of your trades, if you trade a lot, um, go ahead and get that subscription. It's not much. As you can see, the free. Then you got one for $29.99 a month, $29 a month. Unlimited trades. So something to look into, guys. Um, just wanted to do a quick recap here. Get this win percentage up. I can't have 33% winning days. Got to get that out of there. Couple 50% days, couple 100%. That's the days I only took one trade. I think this one I actually took two trades. But it's easy to have 100% if you're only taking one trade. So I don't even count this one. Alrighty, and what else could I show here? The calendar shows you the green days, gross, not net. And I'm just happy to have 4 days of green out of five. 4 out of 5 green. That's a good sign. Good sign, guys. And this is all the trades that were taken. If you guys want to go over and look it over, uh, started from the top. This is the trade on the 18th. Profit $93. Then I lost 37, made 60, lost 15. So you can just go down this list and see all the trades that were made between that time period. All right, guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to check in, guys. Um, like I said, I want to be more frequent making these videos. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of your hair. Take care, guys. See you next time.